Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both ends. Charge the headphones above half and plug your phone or computer into power to prevent interruptions. Once done, turn off or move other Bluetooth devices out of the immediate area to cut RF noise. Next, unpair the headphones from the host and perform the headphones factory reset procedure. This clears corrupt profiles. Doing these steps first removes common causes and puts you in a clean state before re-establishing a fresh connection. You now repair carefully. Put the headphones into pairing mode and select them from the host's Bluetooth menu, confirming any PIN prompts. Make sure the host audio codec is set to a stable option like AAC or aptX and use standard sample rates around 44 to 48 kHz. This reduces packet drops. If problems persist, temporarily disable 4 GHz Wi-Fi or change the router channel to avoid co-channel interference, and move within 5-10 minutes. Finish by updating firmware on the headphones and installing the latest Bluetooth drivers or OS updates on your host. Updates often fix stability bugs. Once updated, test the headphones with a second device to determine whether the issue is with the headset or the primary host. If cutting out persists, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reboot both devices. This refreshes stacks and clears transient glitches. If you still see dropouts after these steps, contact support with firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.